To view existing receipts, hover over Materials and click Receipts. Use the basic and advanced search filters to locate the required receipt. To view the amounts for each receipt in the table, click Modify Table View, add receipt amount as a table column, and click Save and Finish. Now, the amount for individual receipts is displayed in the table. Click the Download icon to export data in the table as a CSV file. To receipt a purchase order, hover over Materials, click Purchase Orders. On the required purchase order, click Options, and then Create a Receipt. Alternatively, open the purchase order, go to the Receipts tab, and click Create a Receipt. Enter the site's invoice number if you have received an invoice from the supplier. Alternatively, leave this field blank if you are waiting for the invoice to be processed. Next, enter the packing slip number if the supplier has provided one. Select the Items Received checkbox if the items have arrived, or skip this step if the items are still in transit. Update the invoice quantity, unit prices, and total if there is a difference between the purchase order and the supplier invoice. Adjust other details as applicable. Click Finish to create the receipt. If you have created a receipt before you receive a supplier invoice for the goods, or to pay for goods in advance, open and unlock the receipt to edit the receipt details. Enter the pending information and click Save and Finish. When you receipt a purchase order, select a cost center for each item to post expenses to the appropriate account in your accounting package. Additionally, to set invoice quantities to 0 for items you have not received, in the Stock Ordered table, select the required items and click Set Quantity to 0. You can then continue the receipting process as normal. Use the arrows in the Tax Adjustment field to make slight adjustments to the tax when you need to round up values by a few cents.